Smackings and whackings from your old pal Creo. Well, Blabbers, what do you think of this?
That's stupid, Cappy Boo. Sir, you have failed at spelling if you think you're gonna sail me. That word is wrong, wrong, wrong.
I didn't misspell anything, you scheming parrot. After this lesson, I'll demonstrate. Devotion 52. 1 Samuel 4 is the scene of a tragedy and an irony all at the same time. 1 Samuel 4:1. And the word of Samuel came to all Israel. Now Israel went out against the Philistines to battle, and pitched beside Ebenezer, and the Philistines pitched in Aphek. And the Philistines put themselves in array against Israel, and when they joined battle, Israel was smitten before the Philistines. And they slew of the army in the field about 4,000 men. And when the people were come into the camp, the elders of Israel said, Wherefore hath the Lord smitten us today before the Philistines? 4,000 men died in the battle. When that happened, the elders of Israel, the people in charge, the people who were supposed to have the answers, said, Why has God done this? Apparently, they were the only people in the entire nation who did not know the answer. Remember that everyone in the nation hated coming to the house of God to worship because of the behavior of Eli's family. Ignorance does not pay, especially ignorance in matters of unspiritual behavior. Every one of us has a responsibility to know what God expects, and to do what God expects. Do evaluate your life carefully and regularly through the lens of Scripture. If there are changes that need to be made, make them before the tragedy falls. Before people who should know better are asking this question, Why has God done this?
You meanie, you brute! I'm not a sail, you scruffy old pirate.
Makes my heart just twinkle to hear that. Now, I don't even need the winds to blow. My sail is full of its own hot air. I think it's about time for a nap. Wake me up when you blow us to Bermuda. Farewell, scallywags. Have a blessed day.
Just you wait. Tomorrow I'll have my revenge.